Hello, my name is Emily Rose Berry. I'm an assessment consultant here at Campus Labs, and I've been working with Kirtland in order to make sure we have your summer 2014 midterm course evaluations ready. I wanted to create a video so that all you instructors knew how to log into Baseline in order to view the results from your courses. So the first thing you're going to do is open an internet browser, and you're going to go to www.kirtland.campuslabs.com. And when you do that, this is the page that should show up. From here, you're going to log in using your Kirtland username and password. If you're not sure what that should be, you can view down here. It says that your username is your preferred first name dot last name, and your password is your My Kirtland password or the password that you set for yourself. So the idea here is that you should really be using your same username and password that you use to log into other areas on campus. If you have any troubles getting your username and password to work, you can go ahead and call us for help. Our phone number is 716-270-0000, and we have people available to help you from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. But once you type in your username and your password, you'll hit login down here, and you'll be taken to your Baseline homepage. From here, you're just going to want to click on the Projects tab that's up here in the gray bar. And this is where you can see all the projects that you currently have access to. Scheduled projects appear in the lower left-hand area. These are projects that have been requested, and they may or may not have been built, but they're not yet open and collecting data. Active projects will appear here. So if you wanted to log in right now, even if your project was still collecting data, that is, students are still responding to it, you can still see it and view the results right away. So that's a really great feature. You can view the results live, but you just want to make sure that any final analysis you do, you'll wait till the end of the survey when it will appear here in the closed area. So you just want to look for your project. My guess is that you're not going to need it because you don't have that many projects right now, but in the future, if you ever start accruing a lot of them, you can always start typing your title in the search bar, and that will pull up any matching projects. So this isn't the Kirtland homepage, obviously. We're not going to be viewing your exact surveys today, and that's a good thing because we want to preserve the anonymity of your results. So I'm going to use this training test survey in order to show you how to get to your results page. Once you've identified your project, you'll just want to go ahead and click on it in order to open up the project dashboard. If your project is already closed, it's actually going to go ahead and open your results right away. So you'll be able to skip this step. But in case you're looking at the survey while it's still collecting data, when you click on it, it will take you to this project dashboard. And from there, you'll just want to click on the View Results button. So our results page has a lot of capabilities in terms of how you can manipulate the data in order to create reports that will serve your needs. I will tell you that the questions display as a default in a frequency mode, which means it'll give you a count of how many respondents answered each answer choice, as well as a % of the total. You can also view these as a graph if you would like, and that will default as a bar graph, but if you'd like to change the graph settings to make it look like a pie chart or anything else you might like, you can go ahead and do that. You can also cross-tab questions with other questions. Anytime you have come up with something that you think is something you'd like to save, I suggest going over here to the View area and actually saving. Saved views you can come back to and load again. And you can also export them here. So you can export a specific view or all of the data overall, and this is the area that you're probably going to be coming to. You can go ahead and create either the raw data, deciding whether you would like to include open-ended answer choices or not, or you can export it as a report. I personally like a Word report. So that will create a document that you can download that shows everything real nicely so that you can have it in hard copy. If you have questions about how to use the results page, if there's some specific thing you're trying to get out of this, you can go ahead and send me an email. My email address is ebarry@campuslabs.com. I also suggest visiting our support site. This is a great resource if you are looking to accomplish something in baseline. We have articles and how-to videos, a lot of stuff here that can be of help to you. And the web address for this is baselinesupport.campuslabs.com. Again, if you need any help with looking at your results or logging in, feel free to give us a call, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday at 716-270-0000.